Tony and Corey here, your weekend warriors.
Today we're building a planter box.
You know, Tony, this is one of those projects that I feel like every weekend warrior can do themselves. It's super easy.
We can actually guarantee that it's gonna work great. The only guarantee we can't make is that your plants will grow.
That's right. So let's run through the things we're gonna need, and all of these materials are available at Parr Lumber Company. The tools we're gonna need to do this job is an impact driver or a drill driver, a saw,
A tape measure,
a square,
some 2x10 cedar,
and some 2x2 cedar, some screws to put it together,
and of course, our safety glasses.
So we're gonna build this thing 2 foot by 3 foot. We're gonna take this great looking 2x10 rough sawn cedar, we're gonna cut it into pieces, 3 foot and 2 foot, and we're gonna double stack it 2 high. And then we're also gonna take these 2x2 cedar pickets to reinforce the corners.
This is gonna result in a planter box that's essentially just under 2 feet tall, 3 feet wide, and 2 feet deep. All right, Corey, so the first thing we need to do is measure this 2x10 right here and get it cut. We're gonna need 4 3-foot pieces and 4 2-foot pieces for our box.
Yes, we've got 4 6-footers, so we've got plenty of material. So let's start cutting.
So I noticed that you're measuring from both sides. That's because this is a little bit longer than 6 foot, and you wanna make sure that you get your cut in the middle. So essentially you're gonna cut this twice, right down the middle, huh? Right on those 2 lines?
All right, now we've got all the pieces cut, so now we just need to assemble them. What we've done is arrange them so that it's longer than it is wide. So we're gonna put the 2 end pieces on the end with Fasten Master headlocks.
And we're gonna put together the first layer, and then we're gonna put together the second layer, and then we're gonna tie that all together.
Yep. So I'm gonna use an impact driver because it drives these headlocks in super, super easy.
Does it drive them in with impact? Would you say that was impactful?
Very impactful. Well, there you have it. We got this planter box done for under 50 bucks. I feel like it's a project that any weekend warrior can do.
It doesn't have a bottom. You just throw it in the flower bed, fill it up with dirt, you can plant your seeds, and you're ready to go.
Make sure you hit subscribe and like, and if you have any questions or comments, leave those down below.
We'll see you next time.